If I did not do a follow-up video for you, my subscribers, about this company, I will be doing you a disservice. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, The Wealthy Mindset. It's yours truly, Money Making Mitch. And as usual, guys, this is not financial advice. Please do your own due diligence and research. I did a video about this company more than once, probably about 3 videos. They did not get a lot of views. However, it's a company that I saw with an incredible business model, just like Neo, just like SoFi Technologies, which I've spoken about in the past. And this company in particular, Emperor William Lee has invested over $300 million into this company already. The Chinese government also did that. They have, in my opinion, a winning business model. They have the most advanced refurbishing facilities for used cars in the world. They showcase, it's a used car company that showcases our Onvo and Neo cars at their used car dealerships where you can go and test drive them there. They did a partnership with Neo for that to happen. And this company, I believe, will also be big, not as big as Neo. Neo will be a behemoth, a $1 trillion company, but this company will also be big and could add tremendously, I believe, to our portfolio. I'm talking of none other than Uxin, Uxin. I've been a believer in this company even before William Lee invested into it. And after he invested into it, I'm not going to lie, it gave me even more confidence. And then when I found out that the used car market in China is going to grow by about 18% in the next 10 years with a population of about 1 billion people, it gave me even more confidence. And like I said, I truly love the business model because you can buy cars right off your phone. It's an online used car platform. They have the most advanced refurbishing facility for used cars in the world. They also are now selling used electric vehicles as well, Neos, Xpengs, etc., etc. And I spoke about them, but the video didn't get a lot of views, but that didn't bother me because I wanted to bring awareness to this company to you guys because I believe that this company will grow tremendously in the next 5 years and add tremendously to our portfolio. Well, what just happened to give me even more confidence to show that I believe that I was right? The Chinese used car dealer is finally showing signs of a turnaround. You see, it's just like Neo, where it's a brand new company. They have to generate cash to grow the company. They had to build factories, etc., etc. And all of the analysts were coming out and saying it's cash burn, just like with Neo. And now they're turning things around, they say. Shares of Uxin up yesterday. The Chinese online used car dealer, it's like Carvana. It's like the Carvana of China. That's the best way to explain to you guys. It's online, plus you can go to their superstore and buy cars. Was soaring yesterday after the company delivered better than expected results in its fiscal first quarter earnings report. I have a little over, I think, 4,000 shares of this company. As of 1:27 p.m., the stock was up 42.6% on the news. Uxin delivers strong growth. Now remember, this company did a reverse split on us and it was painful, but I kept averaging down again. Uxin, which went public in 2018, has struggled for years since before more recent challenges with the Chinese e-commerce sector and weak consumer spending in China. The COVID lockdown also took a big toll on this company. The company has changed its business model multiple times to gain traction in China's massive used car market, and its efforts seem to be finally paying off. Transaction volume jumped 72% from the quarter a year ago to 5,065 units, driven by a surge in retail units, which were up 1,687 to 4,090 as the company focuses on the end buyer instead of selling car to dealers. So they were selling a lot of cars to dealers, like bulk selling, but now they're selling to individuals as well. As the article goes on, you will see why I'm getting more bullish and confident in my investment in this company. Revenue was up 38.8% to 55.2 million, but the company narrowed its adjusted earnings before interest taxes, depreciation, and amortization. EBITDA from 6.7 to 4.7 million. CEO Kundai called it a strong performance, and mind you guys, the Chinese government also invested heavily into this company. Our vehicle turnover efficiency remains healthy, he said, with inventory turnover days around 30. Alongside our robust sales growth, customer satisfaction has also improved as our net promoter score reached 65 during the quarter. The highest level in the industry, he says. The highest level in the industry. What's next for Uxin? The analyst writes. Uxin's revenue growth is a promising sign, but investors should keep an eye on gross margin, as that's likely to be the biggest driver of profitability if the company can achieve it. As the business shifts to retail channel, the number should expand. I'm going to say that again. As the business shifts to the retail channel, the number should expand. The company also expects to achieve EBITDA profitability by the December quarter of this year. If it can achieve that, expect shares to move higher from there. So I believe they're going to do that because they're now selling not bulk to car dealers, but to retail customers as well. So I want you guys to keep your eye on this company. Like I said, I spoke about them in the past. You guys can go back and look at my past videos on Uxin. And even then, I never lost confidence in the company. I never sold my shares when they did a reverse split. I bought more shares and I averaged down again. I didn't average down heavily. I only have, like I said, a little over 4,000 shares because I've been buying so much shares for baby Neo. So I hope you guys found this video to be informational, inspirational, and motivational. I love my deals. So if this video did that for you guys, don't forget to hit that thumbs up, guys. It takes a lot of time to do these videos and the editing. If you haven't yet subscribed, you might want to think about doing so, because in this channel, we have that warrior mindset where we're waking up the middle class for the first time to get a major piece of the pie and get in at the ground level. And like 50 said, we get rich or we die trying, guys.